Okay now, I bet you're gonna say it's time to get to work.
Listen, I want information on Itachi. Nothing is too insignificant.
Huh, we know what we're supposed to do.
Okay, I'm going.
Who goes there? Show yourself.
Oh no, Deidara, we've been spotted! Can't fool Itachi's little brother.
Those robes.
I just joined up. My name's Toby.
So you're Sasuke, huh? How'd a punk like you manage to do in Orochimaru? I was supposed to be the one to kill that scum. Sharingan, eh? He really is Itachi's little brother. You were only able to kill Orochimaru thanks to your Uchiha blood. You're just blessed with good genes, so quit acting so smug.
Why you?
Quite a challenge in those eyes, eh, Toby?
We'll have to apologize to Itachi later.
You're going to tell me what you know about Itachi.
You think things will just fall into your lap like that?
You don't seriously mean to challenge me.
Sasuke, you play nice with these guys for a while. Mission start. Toby, get it ready.
That? You're really not playing around, are you, Deidara? Hold on.
Such big talk, and you're just a coward.
Say what you will. Before long, I will make you taste true fear.
You sure are making elaborate preparations. Are you that scared of me?
Toby, is it ready yet?
It's almost ready! Man, what a slave driver. I'll rip you to pieces.
You two are going to tell me about Itachi no matter what.
Don't interfere!
The Akatsuki. That's the organization he belongs to. You two are going to tell me about Itachi no matter what.
You really are incredibly strong. I can't help but admire you.
The Akatsuki. That's the organization he belongs to. You two are going to tell me about Itachi no matter what. Akatsuki. That's the organization he belongs to.
Midara! It's ready!
Okay, preparations are complete. Now, Toby, go and pick him up.
Huh? You can do that yourself.
I said go, or I'll bust you up along with him.
Talk about unreasonable. Sasuke! Let's play!
What's the deal with that guy?
Sasuke, over here! This is fun!
Why don't you shut your mouth?
Okay, Toby, you know what time it is.
But wait! I'll be caught up in it too!
Better get out of there, Toby!
Talk about cruel!
What a couple of noisy idiots.
Sasuke looks totally scared! I'm kind of freaking out myself!
How did these guys get in?
Help me, Dana! Your lackey's in trouble! He got me! Just kidding! Run away!
Here's a present. Catch!
Sasuke, you sure are strong. You almost made me cry.
I don't have time to be messing around with you.
But man, you're really strong. Let's be best frenemies.
You just can't shut up, can you?
You really are incredibly strong. I can't help but admire you.
You two are going to tell me about Itachi no matter what. Exploding clay. That's bad news.
Take this! Don't interfere!
You two are going to tell me about Itachi no matter what.
Don't interfere! Shuri Shark!
Exploding clay. That's bad news.
Wah! I'm done for! Mommy!
Cut the antics.
Can't fool you, eh? Okay then. Retreat!
The Akatsuki. That's the organization he belongs to.
Found me again, huh? Sasuke, could it be you're into me?
You should be ashamed to call yourself an Akatsuki.
Hey! Time out! Time out! You look serious.
Don't interfere! Shuri Shark!
Then I'll just have to get serious too. Just kidding. Help!
You're wasting my time. Call the other one back.
Hidori! Hidori!
Hebi, well. Dada, help! Help, please!
Toby, you worthless! I'll show you how it's done.
Uh-oh, I've got a bad feeling.
I'll use the curse mark. Exploding clay. That's bad news.
It's time for the main event. Come on, Sasuke!
Spit it out. Where's Itachi?
That again? You're as dull as your brother.
Not as dull as playing with clay.
You. I'll teach you the meaning of art.
Take that
You're certainly quick, but that's all you've got.
This guy's more competent than I thought he'd be.
Not bad. You. Don't underestimate my art.
You can call that art if you want, but whatever you call it, it can't stop me.
I am superior to you. There's no way I can lose.
over here! Over here!
Sharingan. Uchiha. You two brothers really get on my nerves.
Over here! Over here!
You can't beat me playing with clay. I should have finished this while I had the chance.
Take that! Don't interfere! Don't interfere!
Why do the two of you have to act so cool?
Don't interfere! Dori Shark!
That attack's just an explosion. You call it art, but there's really no artistry to it.
Impossible.
Mission complete.
My art.
Answer me. Where is Itachi?
Don't overexert yourself. You've reached your limit, too. In the very end, the battle will be mine. I have my detonating clay. Oh, come on. Aren't you even a little scared? That's what annoys me about you the most. Both of you Uchiha boys! And those eyes make me sick. Always judging me. And my art. You have no appreciation of the true beauty of my work. And it makes me want to kill you!
I couldn't possibly care less about what you want. I just want to know where Itachi is.
still don't know my power. My ultimate art. Now I'll show you my biggest, strongest, ultimate explosion. One that will scar the very earth itself and receive rave reviews from all the critics. For with my death, I shall become art. Now are you afraid? Cower in awe! Recoil in despair! Because my art is... an explosion!
Brother! Big brother, you promised you'd help me with my shuriken jutsu today, didn't you?
Oh, I have an important mission tomorrow. I have to study, so...
You're a liar.
Sorry, Sasuke. Another time. So a piggyback ride is what it takes to earn your forgiveness. Seriously.
Hey brother, you really have to promise to come next time, okay?
Yeah, but you know, I'm getting missions now, and I might not be able to find the time.
That's okay then. If we can just be together sometimes. That's okay.
Sasuke. Sasuke. Hey! Sasuke! Sasuke, you're finally awake.
What are you doing here?
You had us freaked out. We rushed to the site of the explosion, but there was no sign of you.
I was the one who found you and these two couldn't. You'd better thank me.
But how'd you ever survive that explosion? Even from a distance, we could see how bad it was.
Right before the explosion, I used a summoning, and I slipped into an alternate space.
I see. That's how you were able to survive that blast. So then, who was it? It must have been some opponent to be able to corner you like that.
Could it have been one of the Akatsuki?
Yes, and they were much more formidable than I'd thought.
Pathetic. I can't believe you're the one who actually took down Orochimaru.
Orochimaru's illness made him weak. That helped.
Well, anyway, it's good you came out of it okay.
Whatever. You still need to take a little break. We can hunt for Itachi later. All right, Sasuke?
Sure.